Hey yoga friends in Hong Kong, I'm Kummer from the Anatomy Show. I'm really excited to tell you I'm coming to your city in May. As part of the Cecilia yoga teacher training, I'll be there from May 24 to May 26 to share 20 hours of the important fundamentals of movement anatomy for yoga. Additionally, on May 27 and May 28, we'll have 2 whole-day workshops. We'll take a look at the deeper aspects of movement anatomy in asana, as well as the breath, your health, stress, and the nervous system. The Anatomy Show presents modern movement anatomy from perspective of fascia and tensegrity. Start making more sense of your asana practice, your movement, and your teaching by making use of these topics in workshops. What makes the Anatomy Show different is the relevant and immediate application to what we're doing in our yoga practice. So there's none of that, oh yeah, okay, we'll do some yoga and then we do the anatomy. Yeah, it's not separate. We'll do this in one piece. This is your practice we're looking at in an anatomy context. I'm looking forward to seeing you in Hong Kong. For more information, for more details, take a look at Cecilia Yoga website as well as anatomyshow.com. I'll see you there.